how to fix Honor Magic 7 is not charging. So let's start the video. First of all, check your charger and cable works properly or not. If it doesn't work properly, then update your charger and cable, and after updating your charger and cable, then restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then click on restart. After restart your device, then open settings. In settings, scroll down and click on system and updates, and then click on software update. And now here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update the latest version, then update it to latest version. After that, your problem will be fixed. Thanks for watching this video.